Yeah, maybe I'll clean my room. Change your filters. There is no filter. There is no filter. This is my camera. And yeah, there's no filter. I swear. I know the makeup products that I've used are really nice. See? Nice, right? Yay! Okay, now I'm reading what you guys are saying. Hold on. Please do a movie like Oh My Kadavle once again. I will try. Okay, I'm waiting. If there's something good that comes, then I'll definitely take it up. But thank you. Please wear a sari for next time live. I don't know how to put it. Like last time, Sneha, my friend and makeup artist, she put it for me. Otherwise, I cannot put it on myself. Yeah, some people carry a sari so effortlessly. Like Sai Pallavi, I have a friend, her name is Anu, who also took care of my dialogues on my previous film. She carries a sari like I am carrying this thing. It's so easy for her. Yeah, I wish it was that easy for me. But it does make me feel stunning. I think stunning is the word of the day for me. Stunning. Okay, I'm reading. Pout pananga. See, I have a really bad pout. I don't pout. I feel silly when I pout. Nah, I can't do it. Do more reels in a sari. Yeah, hopefully this time I don't fall into a pond or in the ocean. Yeah, I should know. It was fun. It was great fun. Okay, I am reading what you guys are saying. My name is Dinesh. What's your name? My name is... Bro, what are you doing on my live if you don't know my name? I'm not telling you what my name is. ऊपर देखो, यहाँ पे mention किया मेरा नाम क्या है. Hold on. Sometimes all I think about is you. I dare you to marry me. I dare you to marry me. I'm a very difficult person to get married to. I think even after I'm married, I'll continue to say I'm single. You know, I don't want to be married. I don't want to be committed kind of a feel. So I dare you to marry me. What you will dare? I dare you. Okay, hold on. I'm reading. She naturally glows, you guys. Oh, Sneha is here. Sneha is my friend and makeup artist. And if she says I naturally glow, I naturally glow. I think I drink a lot of water and I sweat a lot. I think the reason is sweat. Pura din. The whole day I'm sweating. Everywhere I'm sweating. Except here right now because there's aircon. I hate aircon. But yeah, otherwise I'm perpetually sweating. If you see me out on the road, I'm probably sweating. So sweat is also one reason. Can you say I love you in Marathi? कैसे बोलते हैं मराठी में I love you? मला तुझ्यावर खूप प्रेम आहे. Oh, sorry, I got a call. I think my mom called. I'll call her back in a bit. Looking gorgeous. Thank you. Okay, now I'm reading. I love your face cut. Oh, thank you. I love your hair. Oh, thank you. Have you seen Never Have I Ever? So I've seen the first season. I was just watching the second season. I'm on the last episode. And Paxton Hall Yoshida is yummy. Yeah, he is yum. I'm not into very cutesy guys, but Paxton Hall Yoshida is hot. In a cute way. Yeah, he's cute. Especially in episode 9. If you've seen it, you know what I mean. Yeah, very cute. Reading. Who is your bias in BTS? I think by now everybody knows this is no secret. Jimin! Jimin is my bias in life, like generally also. He's my bias. I'll put Jimin before anybody else. Jimin is babe. Yeah? Everybody knows. Can you speak in Tamil, man? நான் already தமிழ்ல பேசிட்டேன். முடிஞ்சிச்சு. இப்போ என்ன நியூ பேசணும் நீங்க சொல்லுங்க. நான் பேசுறேன். Hold on. I'm reading. Did you apply hair oil? No, my hair is just I washed it on Sunday, I guess. So yeah, just இப்படி இருக்காங்க. I love your teeth. Thank you. I have very small teeth. Yeah. I'm purposely smiling with my teeth to show you my teeth. Cute. Okay, moving on. How are you? I'm fine. I mean, I'm okay. Yeah, how are you? I hope you're okay. If you're not okay, you'll be fine. Stand up, please. I want to stand up. Do you know how I'm sitting? I'm sitting like this. Oh, Marvi. I'm sitting like this, so my knee is hurting. So I have to stand up. Thank you for saying that. But how will I position myself here? Yeah, this is better. I have to. What is your obsession? What is? You guys are crazy sometimes, yeah? In my last post, I think my skin on my leg was showing. I'm not saying my legs were showing. The skin on my legs was showing, and everybody's like legs. कुछ भी इसलिए मैंने कवर किया है अभी यहाँ पे पता नहीं क्या लाइव में शुरू हो जाएगा इसलिए मैं ऐसे कवर करके बैठी हूँ. Okay, now I'm reading what you guys are saying. Hold on. Make your eyebrows dark next time you look more pretty. No, I don't like dark eyebrows on me. They look too stark. I like this. I don't thread my eyebrows, so I keep them natural. So I like what it looks like right now. It looks too much on me otherwise. Someone is saying you not as perfect as you think your smile. My smile is perfect, yeah. Ding! Look at that. It's perfect. With my mouth closed, cute. With my mouth open, amazing. Yeah, it's perfect. What about your class boxing? Today there's no class. Today is Tuesday, right? Today is Tuesday, right? Today is no class. That's why I'm so wetty. Give us a kiss. Have you ever thought that you want to play in the Olympic Games? I have, but my game is not in the Olympics. Kickboxing is not in the Olympics yet. But I have thought of switching over to boxing and giving it a shot because the Olympics is Olympics. That's like the biggest thing in life of a sportsman or anybody in general. So I have given it a thought. Yes, a thought. That's it. I'm reading.